Hello everybody and welcome back to another mystery box function challenge. Inside this purple mystery box there is some math, and your challenge is to figure out what that math is by putting numbers in the top and seeing how they come out transformed at the bottom. We'll keep track of those ins and outs in a chart, and we'll even graph those as ordered pairs so that you can see the shape that this mystery math makes. Click the link in the description, pause the video, go ahead and try as many numbers as you like until you think you've got an idea, and then come on back, listen to the rest, and see if I came up with the same idea that you did. All right, here we go. We'll start with 0. That gives us a -3. Okay, so maybe we're subtracting 3. Let's put in a 1. Okay, so this could be, that looks like it went up 1 over 1, so this could be the line x minus 3. Let's put in a 2. That should be at a -1 if that's the case. Oh, no. No, no, no. So that's not. It's a -1 and then a lot of decimals there. And it definitely looks like we have a curve. Do you have any guesses at this point? Are you thinking you know what it might be? I'm going to put in a 3. And now I'm going to put in a 4, and I'm going to predict that we will get a -1 out of this, because I think I know what it is. Yeah, so we got a -1. And in fact, if we were to put in any negative number, I think we'll get an error as a result. Put in -1, yeah, and I got not a number. So I think I know what this is. Do you? This curve, this gentle curve that starts at 0 and starts a little bit kind of steep and then kind of gets a little more gentle as it goes on. This is the curve for the square root of x. So that's a shape I recognize. It looks like the whole function has been moved down. Normally, the square root of x, if it was just the square root of x, it would start here at 0, 0, because the square root of 0 is 0, and then curve off like that. But this has been moved down, it looks like 3 spaces. So if I were going to guess right now, I'd say f of x is the square root of x, and then just move down 3, -3. We add to the end of that to move it down 3. Now, how can we test that? What if we put in the point 9, the value 9 for x? The square root of 9 minus 3, so that would be 3, square root of 9 is 3, minus 3, that should be 0. So if I put in a 9, if this is right, I should get a 0. So let's try that. So put in a 9, and hey, we get out a 0. Okay, I'm convinced that we've got this right now, so I'm going to go ahead and just reveal it. Yeah, there it is. So this is the square root of x, and then moved down, translated down 3 units with that -3. And if we look at the graph, we see that classic square root of x shape for the graph. Well, how did that go for you? Were you pretty familiar with this square root of x shape now? Did you recognize that right away? Or did this one give you some trouble? Let me know. Thanks, everybody.